Was it you who spoke the words? Things would happen, but not to me. Things are gonna happen naturally. Oh, taking your advice now, looking on the bright side and balancing the whole thing. Oh, but oftentimes those words that get tangled up in lies, and the bright lights turn to night. Oh, until the dawn is green, another day to think about the magic that was you and me. 'Cause you and I both loved us. You and I spoke of us, and others just read of us. All only read of the love that I love. Yeah, love that I love. See, I'm all about them words. Over numbers, unencumbered, numbered words. Hundreds of pages, pages, pages forward. More words than I had ever heard. Now, so alive. 'Cause you and I both loved what you and I spoke of, and others just read of. And if you could see me now that I'm finally out of, I'm finally out of, I'm finally dee well, I'm almost finally, well, I am free. Oh, I'm free. It's okay if you had to go away. Oh, just remember the telephones where they're working on both ways. But if I never ever hear them ring, if nothing else, I think the bells inside and finally found just someone else, and that's okay. 'Cause I remember everything you say. 'Cause you and I both loved what you and I spoke of, and others just free of. And if you could see me now, I'm finally out of. I'm finally out of. I'm finally dee. But I'm almost finally, well, out of words.